Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Pravittim cha nivrittim cha Kare kare bhaya bhaye Bandha moksham cha yavheti Buddhi sapartha satvaki. O son of Pritha, that understanding by which one knows what to be done, what is not to be done, which is to be feared, what is not to be feared, what is binding and what is liberating, that understanding is established in the mode of goodness. So what is goodness? Goodness means prakash. Goodness means knowledge. So person is very careful in goodness that he does not, because he can see knowledge. For a person in knowledge, this word is very, very fearful because he can see the truth. The person in passion looks at this world to enjoy, and he starts getting confused because it's already, I'll explain why it happens. He starts getting confused in mode of passion, right and wrong. And person in mode of ignorance is totally under illusion. He sees reverse. His life is like person in a dream. It is coming to the next quality, like a dream. Satvika means, I was just analyzing the dream part. But such darkness it comes to his intelligence that he starts behaving reverse. He does activities which will harm him in tamasic. In sattvic, he is actually doing activities which are better. He is clearly able to see the situation and he is able to work. Say, take a goat tied in a slaughterhouse. Sattvic person is able to understand the situation. Even though there is grass in front of him, he has no attachment to that grass. And he is thinking about getting an information how to get out of the slaughterhouse. That is sattvic intelligence. Rajasic, he gets attracted now to that grass. And is so much he is lost in eating that grass and the enjoyment of the grass that he doesn't consider getting out of the slaughterhouse. It's almost becoming mad now. And tamasic means, this is everything. The slaughterhouse is everything. Now we can make like that. We'll develop more, but this is fine. Sattvic person can understand this word is Mrityu Loka, is a slaughterhouse of death. So he sees the situation, very carefully considers the situation and acts to get out of this. And is looking for information and takes any steps which are needed to get out of this jail. Sattvic. And not only he gets out, he takes as many people, like Prabhupada says in a letter to the President of India, I am crying alone in wilderness. And I want to take everybody back home, back to Godhead. But I don't want to go alone. I want to take everybody with me. That is very advanced. That's an Acharya. Acharya's position is very exalted. Acharya means he has compassion. His situation is so much wonderful. Name ruchi Jive daya. The daya, first we have to have daya on ourselves. You should be merciful first to your own self. Then you should be merciful to the world. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, "No, Bharat Bhumile Janma ho yaar, Janma sarthak kari karo paropkar." You want to save. So we want to get out of this slaughterhouse and you want to take as many people interested in this slaughterhouse are interested to get out. Convince them about get out, it's dangerous. Neck will cut here. That is Satvika. Rajasic, attracted to the grass. And so much so, now it's getting confused. What is to be done, what is not to be done, actually is getting confused. That first understanding of watch by which you can understand. Clear. And Rajasic means you start getting confused. And Tamasic means reverse. What is not to be done, you will do, because now you want to remain in the jail. You want to remain in the slaughterhouse. You are mad now. Therefore, it's called a dream. In the next quality I was studying scholarly, I was thinking even more. Just analyze this now with me. In a dream, some object is brought in front of your eyes. Some story is brought in front of your eyes. You get attracted when you have some desire for any object. Otherwise, it just runs like it cannot affect you. See what happens. Don't think dream is a mistake. Both day and night, Prabhupada says, are dreams. Both are actually creations of the Lord. And there is not much difference in one way between daydream and night dream. Both are useless actually. Therefore, even mentally you can offer service to the Lord. Because finally, both are matter, gross matter or subtle matter. For Krishna is both are matter. You can offer either. That's why there's situation the person in the mind could offer some seva and Vishnu confirmed to him that he is accepting the seva. Take care. Now, dream are not produced out of nowhere. Dream is produced because of your desire. Daydream or night dream. I have a desire to enjoy in a particular way, and a particular situation is created to fulfill that desire. Is it clear? Whatever situation is created in front of you is creation of the Paramatma for every individual parallelly. And that situation facilitates your enjoyment. Why the situation is created? For your... It makes sense? Makes sense or not? Situation is created for your enjoyment. Now, in a particular situation which is created in front of me, I am having some attachment. Otherwise, it will just fly away like that. It is making sense or not? I developed a few days ago about Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra based on that. Brahmana has, or say devotee, Vaishnava, has no interest in this world. So as situations are created, he is not interested. So this world cannot disturb him. Therefore he is a Brahmana. Therefore, if you bring him Krishna Katha, he will be very eager to hear. If you bring him Grama Katha, he will be suffocated to hear. He will just touch for 1 or 2 minutes and drop it. You understand my point? Asat Sangha Tyaga E Vaishnavachara. Whenever we are in the company of karmis, we should feel suffocated. If you are not feeling suffocated, something is wrong with you. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, it's like put in a cage and thrown into fire. Slowly, karmis or gramakata will swallow you. Gradually, it's like a poison, you will not come to know. Suppose you are very blissful in Krishna consciousness now. Nice kirtana now. And you go on karmis, you feel suffocated. But before long, and if you stay in their association, you will become one of them. You have to be very careful. Just like an example of the frog I gave you in boiling water, you will not come to know. It's just a matter of time, you'll be boiled. So therefore, asat sangha is very dangerous. You will not come to know, you will be swallowed when. You will not come to know. You will be swallowed. It's just a matter of time. You have to be very, very careful. What then? Mahat seva dvara mahu vimukte tamo dvaram yoshitam sangi sangam. Because karmi means yoshit. And what is the definition of yoshit? Their mission of life is only two: beautiful woman and money. If you are in their company, you should feel suffocated. You should be very careful to keep distance and not allow them to put their maya inside our heart. That's what they only do. They share. They are enchanted by opposite sex and money. And they are sharing among each other that enchantment. They are in total illusion. We should be very careful, not let them ignite in our heart those karma, jnana, bijas. We are not interested in karma, jnana, bijas. We are only interested in cultivating bhakti bija. What is karma bija? I will do this and I will become this. And jnana bija, I will know that also, I will know that. They are very eager to throw those bija in our heart. They are having that in the seed form. And a pure devotee, like Srila Prabhupada or Narada, they are carrying another bija in their heart. What is the bija? Bhaktilata bija. That fortunately you got somehow. Because by good fortune, for some time you listened to them. And you got it. Now, we should be very careful. Because they are living in a dream of their enjoyment also will remain in a dream. They'll never get the enjoyment. That Ravana could never enjoy Sita. You cannot enjoy material energy, whatever you do. It's only a dream. Can you enjoy material energy? Is it possible? It's only a dream. Enjoying material energy is a dream. You cannot just enjoy. Can you enjoy material energy? It's a dream. So similarly, it will not be possible for us. So their enjoyment is a dream. Therefore, devotees, when they hear about the enjoyment plan of Karmi, this way I'll enjoy, that way I'll enjoy, it's a dream for him. Doesn't like it. And similarly, when they hear the devotees' plan, I'll go to the spiritual world and I will sing Radha Krishna Pranamura, Jugala Kishora. I'll hold the two lotus feet of Krishna. That is dream for them. Both ways it is dream. You are understanding? For this is dream. For this is dream. So actually for a devotee, try to understand this point. So we get attracted to the dream because something you want to enjoy in the dream. We are getting involved in the dream, just like a movie is running. You get involved in the movie only because some enjoyment for you is there in that movie. Maybe that actress or some actor or some plot. Some enjoyment is there for you. Why you are getting involved? So, a Brahmana or a Vaishnava is not interested in Grama Katha. Minimum, just to know what's happening. Kya ho raha hai? Bas. He doesn't get involved in it. Just like some two people are fighting outside, we have no interest in it. क्या हो रहा है? किस लिए लड़ रहे हो भाई? हाँ उसने ही बोला हाँ ठीक है and then you go. We are not interested. If you are getting interested, who is winning, who is losing, main dvanda, you are involved in that. You are taken party already. Correct? So it's in a dream world which is going on, the fight between karmis for sense gratification. Why they are fighting karmis? For sense gratification, not for service to the Lord. If for service to the Lord, definitely we are interested. Who is going to win? Okay, na? So devotee withdraws himself. Like when Hiranyakashipu, Prahlad Maharaj story is there, we are very interested. Because we take side of Prahlad Maharaj. You want him to protect because he is a devotee. You getting it? So therefore now, step by step. So devotee is like in a situation not interested in a Gramikatha. Kshatriya, Vaishya wants to enjoy money and power. They are very interested to a large extent. Correct? But they also hear some Krishna Katha. Shudra is typical last and only Grama Katha. Now you can divide like this. A person whose whole day seeing Gramakatha, he is a Shudra. Some person who is sometimes Gramakatha, sometimes Krishna Katha, he is a Kshatriya or a Vaishya. Sometimes only Krishna Katha all the time, he is a Vaishnava. You can determine. He may be taking medicine, he's chanting Hare Krishna, but which way he is developing, you can see. Isn't it? His enchantment. Because devotee, what happens when he is reading this? Because his heart is enchanted by Krishna. Krishna's name, Krishna's form, Krishna's qualities, Krishna's pastime, he gets stuck here in Krishna Katha. For some person, Krishna Katha is boring because there is nothing which attracts him there. But a person whose heart is enchanted by material energy and different varieties in material energy, he gets lost into Gramakatha because it is very enchanting. So if the Gramakatha starts looking interesting to you, please save yourself. You're in a very dangerous spot now. It's like a frog gradually being boiled. It'll be cooked. Without your knowledge, you're getting cooked. You know that, no? Example. You put frog directly in hot water, it jumps. Okay? So gradually you get cooked in Karmis association. Karmis will only discuss Gramakatha. Therefore Krishna discusses the point. What is that? Sisapagna Seka Bhasha. What does he talk? A devotee talks only about Krishna. Okay? So we should save ourselves. And we should not get lost. This whole is dream. Material, daydream or night dream, both are dreams. We have no interest in this dream. We have no interest. We only want to serve Krishna. Correct? Either in the dream, we are in an opulent condition or in a poor condition. Does it matter? In a dream, you are sitting in sofa set or in the ground. Does it matter? Both are dreams. Therefore, Acharya is detached from this world. Why? It's a dream for them. You are understanding? Philosophically, I am analyzing. In a dream, does it matter if you are sitting on the sofa or not? So actually, in this world, now you are sitting on the floor. Because you are now interested spiritually, that is not a big factor for you. But for a karmi, on the floor they make me sit. That's why I don't go there. They should give me sofa to sit. Because he is in the dream world. He wants to enjoy material energy. A devotee wants to enjoy Krishna's lotus feet. So therefore their criteria is totally different. Okay? So we should not. And dream, Krishna does some things. You know some interesting things in the dream? Anybody knows? What happened in the dream? Whose dream? What came? No, whose dream? Anybody's dream, famous dream. Madhavendra Puri's dream, Krishna appeared. The dream is also. Prabhupada says, if you eat too much, you dream too much. If you dream too much, you sleep too much. And there is no question of spiritual life then. You dream too much, your mind doesn't get rest. Actually, I think the body takes certain rest, 6 hours. Mind doesn't take 6 hours. Mind takes little less rest. This little analysis. Because when a dream time, mind is working. Mind is also instrument like body. It also gets tired. Therefore, it needs deep sleep. Huh? Is it fine? This common sense is working. No, soul is never tired. See, it's like soul is never tired. The highest, Mahan. Soul is always active, but mind gets tired. So it leaves the mind for some time. Okay, you also take some rest. Just like you give rest to the body, the soul gives rest to the mind also. Chalo, you take some rest. And it wakes him up. Get up now, enough. Correct? Enough, get up. So soul is awakened, they sleep very less. Because he's fresh. And mind is fresh, easily fresh. If it does not get involved into sense gratification, it becomes very fresh and happy. Okay? That's the mind of a devotee. Shri Gaur Nitai ki, Srila Prabhupada ki,